A pet shelter assigns ID tags in multiples of 4. The numbers run from 100 up to 196. How many ID tags does the shelter give out in total? Pause the video. Try it before I show the trick. Here is a hint. Be careful about counting both endpoints. First, a wrong guess to test your instincts. 196 minus 100 equals 96. 96 divided by 4 is 24. But 24 is not the right answer. Think about it. We counted the gaps. There are 24 gaps, but each gap is between 2 tags, so there is one more tag than the number of gaps. Number of tags equals gaps plus 1. Now run the formula on our numbers. Last is 196. First is 100. Difference is 96. Divide by step. 96 divided by 4 is 24. Add 1 for the missing endpoint. 24 plus 1 equals 25. The shelter gives out 25 ID tags in total. This is the count by step rule. If you know start, end, and step, then count equals end minus start divided by step plus 1. The plus 1 matters. Look for a how many multiples of x between A and B question. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.